at Kandailat last week. Woodland Institute of Nursing held its first ever convocation for the batch of 2020 and 2021 of BSc Nursing, General Nursing and Midwifery GNM and Post-Basic BSc Nursing at the Institute campus at Lightcore today. Altogether, 116 graduates including 35 BSc Nursing, 54 Post-Basic BSc Nursing and 27 General Nursing and Midwifery were conferred with their degrees and diplomas. Addressing as the chief guest on the occasion, Health Minister Ampreen Lingdaw said that nurses play an important role in providing quality healthcare to the people.
It requires dedicated nursing services in the various facilities that we are providing for the people of the state of Meghalaya. And I must say at this point of time that Woodland Institute of Nursing has just been told to me by Madam Marbanyang is one of the best in the state.